Hello, today this is Hunter357 reviewing Daddy, and today we're gonna review the Virtoba action camera. It's a 4K camera and it's more like GoPro kind of thingy. So we're gonna open box it and hopefully we can try out some test shots. So, let's see. So when you open the box, this is what you get: a user manual and that. And let's see, user manual comes in English and other languages. So there's that. And we open it up, and this is what's inside the box. I mean the case. So we have the camera itself. There's that. Wow, there's really a lot of stuff going on in this one. There's that. So we have the camera itself, extra battery, chest strap, wrist strap, and I don't know what this one is. I don't know. Some kind of another strap, I'm not sure. And head strap. And a few other mounts there. Thing that converted for your tripod, like your regular tripod. There's a few things that so you can mount on your car. There's that. Cleaning wipes, and I mean your cable, like your power cable, and then there's this case, I guess. If you don't want to bring the full case, there's that. So, and this is how it looks like. There's that film there to protect it, which you're probably gonna remove afterwards. And here's what it looks like in the back. And how do you open it up? I'm guessing you. Well, the thing is, I didn't read the manual yet, so just so you know, open it up. I don't even know if there's a memory card inside, so let's check out. So that's how it looks like. Pretty sleek in the design. I kind of like it. Oh, there's the power button right there. And nope, it doesn't have a memory card in it, so that sucks. However, I do have some memory card. I can try it out for you guys. There's this thing also. So if you want to use tripod mount, I mean, you can do that. It says 4K Ultra HD at 24 frames per second, so that's not bad for the price. So let's open it up. If it does open up, I don't think it's gonna open up with anything. It's kind of hard to remove the battery thing. Come on, mate. There we go. So there's that battery there, but no wonder it's not opening up because it was kind of sealed, I suppose. I just actually break it. That's not right. It's there, so I can easily pull it up, just like the other one. Anyway, so I'm guessing it's not charged then. So now I'll put it back later like that. Yep, there you go. It did open up after a while. I just don't think it has extra there you go. Yeah, it's saying low power. yeah, the thing speaks up for itself. So yeah, this is kind of stupid of me, like doing this without reading the manual, but I just want to open it really, and there you go. That's how it looks like. Has switch modes. Okay. Yeah, it was a kind of like a step-by-step thing at first. So yeah, there's that. So there's no memory card and there's low power. I'm gonna go to setup and that. So it has like a wide screen thingy. We're gonna try to do an Ultra HD of it and have a sample later on. And there's like a loop recording thingy. Oh, there's a lot of options here that you can play with. So there's that. There's a gyroscope too. There's image rotations and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on the road and see how it turns out, and put a clip right here. Alright, so I'll be back. Okay, so now we're testing our Virtoba 4K camera. Okay, so as you can see, I just opened it up and I'm on Ultra HD right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and press record there. So now you can see it's recording. I am very sunny right now. So let's see. I'm gonna do a test shot of it, and here's how it looks like on Google Pixel. And then I will. This is how it looks like with the Virtoba thing. Okay, so this is how my car looks like with Google Pixel, and this is how it looks like with the Virtoba. As you can see, it has a wider angle and has more field of view that you can get because it's wide angle. Okay, this test is now for low light setting. I am indoors with no lights turned on. And this is a video comparison with Google Pixel 2. So I'm just like walking around the house, and as you can see, it's a very wide angled. And you can just like decide for yourself what do you think of it in low light settings. Okay, so as upon checking earlier, the 4K videos in 24 FPS is a little bit shaky, and it's keeping like frames and all that. So now we're testing Ultra HD at 60 frames per second, and just for the benefit of that, I'm gonna transfer it to my right hand because I'm right-handed, so it might be a little bit more shaky if I use left, but we will see once we put it on the computer. And this is again a side-by-side comparison to my cell phone, Google Pixel 2. Alright. Okay, so here's some underwater test with a underwater casing that is provided in the bundle, and as you can see, it has really good quality, and I like it so much. So far, the best feature of Virtoba. Alright, so what I can say about the Virtoba Action Cam is for the price range, $100, it's highly recommendable. But if you're looking for like that legit 4K video, this is not the one for you. But if you are okay with the 1080p settings and stuff like that, this is really good. A good beginner's GoPro, if I would say, if you don't have the budget to buy GoPro. This is really good. The underwater footages of this thing is really great too. So for $100, you're basically getting a beginner's GoPro. It can actually be given to a kid if you want. That way they can start shooting their action films and stuff like that. But this is really great, and I would really highly recommend it, especially for its price range. All right, this is Hunter 257, the reviewing daddy, and thank you for watching.